rehearsal. The camera's always rolling.
CamerasRolling.com TV.
Oh yeah!
You already know what it is. CamerasRolling.com TV. About to be on the phone with Mac. Know what it is. Crazy right now. First official joint. We're gonna see what's good. Yo, what's good, Matt?
Alright, what it is, Cameras Rolling. Cameras Rolling, what it is.
Yo, what's good, nigga? I can't even hear you.
I think my people that Cameras Rolling. What you want to do?
Shit, nigga, what's going on, man? First, I appreciate you getting on the phone with me, man, and being a real nigga and not no bitch shit talking over YouTube and all that shit that you other niggas do, that them other niggas do, man.
Jersey, you know how we do in Jersey. My niggas from the south side of Jersey. Yeah, I fuck with what up? Cameras Rolling 732, what up? I mean, niggas doing that off. Yeah, alright, but it's me and you right now, bitch. What it is? What it is?
Nah, shit, man. I just want to, I just really want to get about the whole beef thing with you and Swag right now. I just want to cover that. I want to cover the whole hood gang beef with motherfucking DT.
That nigga correct, you know what I'm saying? I look at it like I'm not really a rapper. I just do this Jersey thing. I think that nigga is like really a rapper, you know what I'm saying? And we went at it real quick, you know what I'm saying? We went at it. He was throwing his shit. He made a song. I made a little freestyle. You know what I'm saying? And we was going at it. We was going at it, dog. I fucks with Swag, though. He's a good nigga. He represents Jersey. That's what it is.
Word is born. I feel as though, nigga, you got no hood gang flow. Like, you got a flow like Max, nigga. I'm listening to that Top Off shit, nigga. I'm like, yo.
Since you coming at me like a real nigga, I want to let you know, like, you know what I'm saying? You know how it is nowadays when you try to get in the entertainment business. Like, a lot of your friends, you know what I mean? They be like, oh, that's what's up, you can rap. But the niggas won't be down to promote you and shit like that. Like, this nigga, like, he actually got me focused with like that. Yo, I'm gonna be promoting you and shit, so I can't lie. The nigga promotes me and shit. He puts that internet shit, and you can see now I've been promoting my shit on the internet, and I've been doing it. You know what I'm saying? I followed him. I listened to him when he showed that internet stuff. I didn't know anything about the internet, my nigga. So you know what I'm saying? I looked at him like, you know what I mean? He did the internet shit, so I looked the way he promoted. Just because he didn't decide to follow how the streets go, that's not my problem. I show up how the streets is. Niggas get real over here. You feel me? We from Jersey. We from Jersey. Like, my niggas don't like him for the fact that he don't know how to speak like how normal niggas speak. But that's how they feel. At the end of the day, I feel like he promotes my music, and that's more than I can even say a lot of my friends do. You feel me? And you know how that is.
Yeah.
You should know how that is. I know a lot of you people that you call your peoples ain't gonna promote you on the internet all day. They'll probably be like, yo, that's what's up. They probably won't be like, yo, I'm actually promote you. And he actually did that. So, you know what I'm saying? The way I look at it, like, say your boy Clinic and them, like, I don't know him from a can of paint, but I'm sure he do his thing. You know what I'm saying? No, I have no bad words for them niggas. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm sure they do their thing in Jersey just like we do, you know what I'm saying? But we on the north side and that's how we do it. But the way I look at it like this, if the niggas like, that no snitching shit, that involves niggas that's out in the streets. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you ain't out in the streets, then you ain't got nothing to snitch about. If you, like, this should just let that nigga be, like, let him rap, you know, the street nigga. That's my nigga, and he knows. I can tell him to his face. He knows. He's not a street nigga. He knows he's dead shit. What, bitch? We got the heavy on.
Hey, I already know how it is, nigga. I'm just saying, whenever you need some promotional, nigga, when you ready to do some shows, whatever, nigga, that Top Off shit, that shit hit me, nigga. That you got low Max in you, nigga, and I respect that. I'm listening to you. I'm like, yo.
After the came to New York, I had a spot to shoot videos, and whenever we wanted to come to Trenton, we could have a spot to shoot videos.
That shit still ain't fucked up, nigga, cause that shit still ain't fucked up, though. That shit still ain't fucked up, nigga, cause we can still do it. But, like, I'm saying though, like you a different type of nigga as far as the hood gang niggas. Like man, they not music makers, man. Like I don't know, man. I'm just not even gonna get into that because I'm not gonna bash them.
Nah, they is music. I can't say that Christmas Smiles isn't about music because that's what they do. Like, you know what I'm saying? So you really.
Life ain't a rehearsal, the camera's always rolling.
CamerasRolling.com TV.
Oh yeah.